Hello, I am Pablo. Today I'm going to present you a very simple and quick recipe that is as good as a dessert. Today I'm going to prepare French bread. The ingredients I will present you below. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video. As a first step, we have to break 2 eggs. Then we are going to add a quarter cup of milk. Then we add a small vanilla cup. The next step is mix everything. Then we turn on the stove. Now we put some butter in the skillet. Now we put the bread in the mix we made before. We put the bread in the skillet. Add some sugar. We turn the bread to the other side. We put the bread on the plate. Again, we put butter. We repeat the process with the other bread. Now we change the bread to the plate. We proceed to add honey. The decoration is to the taste of each person. We add some sugar. And enjoy. Thanks for watching this video.